Hey y'all, I'm Gigi, the owner of Lex Lux Beauty, and this is my first video. So all of you are new here, and I'd like to say welcome, and let's get into this video. So this order is for Sherry in Paducah, Kentucky. Thank you, girl. We appreciate your business. She requested that I use grapeseed oil, which nourishes and moisturizes your lips. And in the wintertime, it is the perfect oil to help heal and smooth dry, chapped lips. So as you can see, I used a half a tablespoon of the grapeseed oil, and I'm grabbing my TKB Trading White Lip Liquid. And you just want to make sure that you use enough to get a really, really nice either milky white or white base. And then you're just going to mix it up. Okay, so now that I have it nice and mixed, it's all smooth, I'm going to be adding my bubblegum mica powder to my base, and I'm using 2 of these itty bitty spoons that I got with the kit. I got the kit from Amazon, so I really don't know the exact measurements of the spoon, but I will leave the link in the description. And remember, when purchasing your micas, make sure that it is cosmetic grade. Okay, and now, of course, mixing. As you can see, it's a really beautiful pink with a slight shimmer to it, but it's too light. She wants it to be just a little bit darker. So I'm grabbing my chocolate brown lip liquid, also from TKB Trading, and I will be adding just 1 drop to darken it up a bit. And then also I'm adding my crepe myrtle mica, which is going to add a little bit more shimmer, and it's just a darker pink than this one. Now the gloves. Okay, the struggle is real right now because of my gloves. I'm using my husband's gloves. They're too big, and yeah, I cannot get the package open. So how about we take this time to say thank you to all of you that are watching. And if you haven't already, please take the time to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And we appreciate all of you, everything. And there we go. We got it open now. All right. So now I put 2 spoons of those, the itty bitty spoons. And now it's time to mix. Okay, and now I finally got the color that she desires, and it is so pretty. It has just the perfect amount of shimmer to it. And now I am getting ready to add my Get Suckered lip gloss base. And I really like this base. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of this base. I got this base around, what was it? It was a Black Friday sale. They had all their bases, well, a lot of the stuff on sale, half price, and I believe these bases were half price. So I ordered, I think it was either 4 or 5 bags of this base. And like I said, I absolutely love this base. I use Versagel, and then like I said, this one is the Get Suckered. And now I am getting ready to try out a new base, which so I had a lot of really good reviews on it, so we're going to see how that works when it comes in, and definitely be making a video for that. And so now you just want to mix up your pigment and your oil with the base, and this really is one of the most satisfying parts. I love mixing. And you can see how the base is really coming together. So now I'm getting ready to add the Get Suckered Pink Lemonade, which is the scent that she requested. And when I say this smells just like a tall, fresh glass of pink lemonade in the summertime, baby, yes, Get Suckered. They be on it with them scents, honey. Okay, and then so I added just a little bit because, like I said, she wants to be able to smell it as soon as she opens up her tube. And then this is the hydrogenated polyisobutane, which is great for making it extra smooth, shiny, and glossy. And look at this. Oh, look at the gloss. Oh my goodness. Look at the shine, the sheen. Oh my goodness. It's so silky smooth. It's so beautiful. And like I said, I absolutely love making this gloss. We love Sherry. This is her third time ordering from us. And I appreciate each and every single order. So now I am preparing to get the gloss into the pipette, into the syringe. Now these syringes, I'm using the 20 ml, which are the smaller syringes because this is such a small batch. And every time I do this, I have a problem. Now when I'm making the bigger batches, I use the 60 ml syringes, and I really don't have any problem, because there's more gloss, so I can fill them quickly, easier. But these little 20 mLs, I just always seem to find the freaking air pockets. So it takes me a little bit longer to fill up the smaller tubes. Ain't that crazy? Seems backwards, but that's exactly what it is. Now you just want to make sure that you wipe your pipette down. Paper towels when making lip gloss is your friend. Yes, ma'am. So as you can see, I grabbed my tube. These are 15 ml tubes. And yeah, I didn't do such a good job right here. But we're going to make sure that you put the pipette all the way down, and then you just go ahead and fill your tube up. And then I also make sure that when I pull it out, that it is all the way full to the rim. And I add a little extra little bam just right there, just to make sure that, she has all the product that she pays for. And then now, like I said, you just take your paper towels, clean the tubes up as much as you can. Not as much as you can. Clean them up all the way. Make sure that you get into those little cracks, those little crevices, and get all of that extra lip gloss, because don't nobody want to buy no dirty freaking tubes. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm putting my little top on there, or whatever that piece is called. What is that piece called? The spout? Not a spout. Whatever it is. Help me out, somebody. And then I'm giving it another little wipe down, making sure all of those little cracks, I got all of my lip gloss out of there. Nice and clean, baby. Nice and clean. Now, I'm going to put the top on there. And voila! Sherry, girl. Here come your gloss, honey. And look how pretty that is. Yes. Oh. And then right quick, I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch because I have enough, more than enough, because I actually used the extra and I made me a tube. And there we go. Look at how smooth it just glides on. Can you imagine this on your lips? Nice, smooth, and pretty. Look at that gloss. Look at that shine. Yeah, baby.